Need to know your Optus balance? As of October 2025, there are 3 easy ways to check using USSD codes, SMS, or the My Optus app. First, USSD. Simply dial 131 hack on your phone and press call. You'll receive a text or voice message with your balance details. This works on any phone, even without internet. Next, SMS. Send BAL to 131 via text. Optus will reply with your current balance and expiry date if you're on prepaid. Finally, the My Optus app. Download it from the App Store or Google Play, log in, and your balance is displayed right on the dashboard. The app also provides detailed usage charts and AI insights. All 3 methods are free for Optus customers. While all methods work, the My Optus app is becoming the preferred way to check balances, accounting for 70% of all balance checks in 2025. This is because of its extra features and ease of use. Keep an eye out for app updates that include AI-powered predictions, like alerts for optimal recharge times. Also, remember that USSD codes like 131 STAP are incredibly useful in areas with poor internet connectivity. Optus also sends SMS alerts for low balances to avoid surprise disconnections. For security, always use biometric login on the My Optus app and avoid sharing your account details. By 2030, expect fully automated balance management integrated into smart devices.